Today I'm going to show you how to make awesome double exposure effect using just one image in Adobe Photoshop. First, unlock the background, click on the adjustment layer icon, and create a solid color. In the color picker, choose white, then press OK. Move the color fill layer below layer 0. Select the top layer. Just pick any selection tool. I'm gonna choose object selection. Under the mode, select lasso. Create a loose selection around the subjects. Go back to adjustment layer, and create a solid color. In the color picker, choose black. Then press OK. Double-click on this, and rename it silhouette. Press Ctrl T to free transform, and then I will make it bigger. Hit enter once you're satisfied. Select the layer 0, and then press Ctrl J to duplicate. Disable the layer below. Now drag the layer copy and drop it above silhouette layer. And then right-click and create clipping mask. Press Ctrl T to free transform. Drag these handles to adjust the size and position like so. Hit enter when you're finished. Now enable the layer 0. Right-click and convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. I'll increase the radius to 15 pixels. Then press OK, and then decrease the opacity to 18%. Select the top layer. Press Ctrl, Shift, Alt, and E to copy and merge all layers. And then right-click and convert to Smart Object. Go back to Filter, and open the Camera Raw filter. This time I'm going to make green tone moody color grading effect. So open the Basic tab. I'll make the temperature +25, the tint +8, the contrast +13, the highlights -85, the shadows +32, the whites -35, the blacks -45, the texture +12, the dehaze +12. Open the curve, adjust the white point, highlights, shadow, and the black point just like that. Open the color mixer, select the hue. I'll make the oranges +8, the yellows -100, the greens +100. Select the saturation. I'll make the yellows, greens, aquas, and the blues -75. Select the luminance. I'll make the oranges and yellows +13, and the greens -25. Open the color grading. Select shadows. I'll make the hue 32, and the saturation 12. Select highlights. I'll make the hue 32, and the saturation 8. Open the optics. Make the vignette -25. Open the calibration. The red primary, I'll make the hue +25, and the saturation -50. The green primary, I'll make the hue +100, and the blue primary, the saturation -72. Then press OK. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.